won't ask you to stay. You were sitting across from me, in the same cafe we always used to go to. Those same eyes, you looking at me a little differently. For a few seconds you make my heart beat faster. Then, so gently you say, "Yes, this is the last time." And yet I'm not afraid to say goodbye. I'll probably smile and wonder how many nights I reach my hand out for you, only to open my eyes to empty space beside me. How many times will I return to this place and sit exactly where you left me? Imagine that you never said those words to me, that you never left me, that I'm not alone. How many times during the day will I remember how the simplest smile and your scent made me feel like I was exactly where I belonged. Yeah, the funny thing is, I'm not afraid, Lynn. Because from now on, you'll be everywhere. Everywhere, it just the shame. Just the shame that you're only in my imagination.